Piranara now, that's for Noel Mape. On the chase, Noel Mape. Adi Savea, first touch, what a try for the Hurricanes. Proctor. Dami looking to an offload for Brad Shields, who gets the ball away for Vince Arsaw. Now the chip and chase down the right side. Vince Arsaw. Brilliant individual play and a great finish. Back to the left side, Adi Savea. Shape to go left, too big, too strong. Adi Savea, what a try. Riccatelli for Blake Thompson at 2 in the line. Adi Savea, Riccatelli. Set play. Proctor, double miss for Savea. Beats his marker on the inside. Julian Savea offloads for Jordy Brown. Inside ball. What a play, what a try, Hurricanes. DJ Piranara. Eves, Barrett. Water Black. This is for Julian Savea on the left wing. Savea. 1-on-1 with Villiers. Takes him on the outside. Cover the field. Bumps off the second defender. Brad Shields is on the inside. He doesn't need it. Julian Savea, the #1 winger in world rugby. They go the length of the field, the Hurricanes, and a brilliant finish. Cheetah, Tamura, Carpenter. Carpenter with a long ball out to the left-hand side. And the try is going to be awarded, yes. Jordy Brown on the outside, Barrett. Ball over the top. Nanelo Mape. What another good try from the Hurricanes.
Try by Hurricanes, number 12,
It's a set play. Adi Savea produces a shot ball on Mape. Ball over the top of Blake Thompson. Nice try for the Hurricanes. Fatialofa. Michael Fatialofa. Wicks. Over the top, the ball's been intercepted, and Brad Shields with a comfortable finish. So they recycle the pick and go on the left side, the Hurricanes. And the try has been awarded. Michael Fatialofa. Cheetah. Yamanaka. Left foot step, Yamanaka, then the offload. He's picked up Adi Savea. Turned defence into attack. Vince Arsaw and a foot race down the right-hand side. And he gets it done, one loose pass. Another loose ball. Where's Hussein? He'll be under the post. Where's? Very good. They go to the right side. Kinberg, strong and direct, and finally the crowd have something to smile about for the home team, the Sunwolves. And now Willem Brits charges ahead. Is he going to get the third try for the Sunwolves? They've broken all of their records. It has been an absolute comprehensive, dominating performance.